Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There really isn't a huge difference in how you cook a salmon fillet with or without the skin. But, if you are grilling salmon with the skin on, I would recommend starting with the skin down on the grill. There is no difference in the amount of time you grill, etc.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The easiest way to see if your salmon has finished cooking is to gently press down on the top of the fillet with a fork or your finger. If the flesh of the salmon flakes, meaning, it separates easily along the white lines that run across the fillet, strips of fish fat, it's finished cooking. Take it off of the heat.
Take our lead.
Dishes that contain raw salmon can be a tasty treat and a good way to eat more seafood. Yet, it's important to be aware that raw salmon may contain parasites, bacteria, and other toxins that can be harmful even in small doses. Only eat raw salmon that's been stored and prepared properly.
Take our lead.
Season both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add the olive oil and gently place the salmon into the pan, skin side down. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Salmon skin is generally safe for people to eat. However, fish are known to be contaminated by pollutants in our air and water. Chemicals called polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, can be absorbed by salmon during their life through their skin and in other fish that they eat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.